Thank you all for being here. Child Abuse Prevention Month and the Treehouse Proclamation. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month. Child abuse can have a long-term psychological, emotional, and physical effects that can have lifelong consequences for victims. Effective child abuse prevention activities succeed because of the meaningful connections and partnerships created between child welfare, education, health, community, and faith-based organizations, businesses, and law enforcement agencies. In Montgomery County, the Treehouse Assessment Center is our frontline resource. It's a place where hope and healing takes root. The Treehouse is a one-stop assessment center where child victims of abuse and their families can seek the full range of services they need, and last year they helped over 850 children. One of the things that they do is the tour de cookie. Now, we're very sorry that the cookie could not be here today, and I did make a statement earlier, that is the way the cookie crumbles, but the cookie, thank you very much, the cookie will be back. The cookie will be back. We hope the whole county will get involved in the 5th annual Treehouse Tour de Cookie. A fun, non-competitive annual family event purpose is to raise awareness of the services provided by the Treehouse and Child Abuse Prevention. It takes place on May 6th at the Johns Hopkins Montgomery County campus. The riders choose a short, medium, or long route, stopping to pick up cookies at stands along the way. There are also options for small kids and non-bikers and family expo with live entertainment, exhibitors, and food. There are many ways to support and participate in this event, and we hope everyone listening will do so. I've often said that one of the real eye-opening things for me when I became involved in government was that it became obvious that not every child is born into a family that loves them. And that's a tough thing to think about, but it's very, very true. So the work that this group and others do is so very necessary that we can help heal in so many different ways. And this is a proclamation from the Montgomery County Council, whereas in Montgomery County, every child should have every chance in life, every chance at happiness and every chance at success. But tragically, too many children shoulder the burden of abuse or neglect. And each year in the United States, an estimated 4 million reports are made to Child Protective Services involving more than an estimated 6.6 million children. And whereas the Treehouse Child Assessment Center of Montgomery County is a public-private partnership between the Primary Care Coalition of Montgomery County and the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services, and have been meeting the mental health needs of children and adolescents since 2002. And whereas effective early intervention is essential to ensure that an abused child or an adolescent develops into a healthy and productive adult, capable of forming trusting and loving relationships. And whereas the Treehouse staff works closely with Montgomery County Police, Child Welfare Services, the Office of the County Attorney, and the State's Attorney's Office to provide an array of skilled services to the county's children and families who are impacted by physical abuse, sexual abuse, or neglect, and makes access available for medical evaluations, mental health assessments and treatment, forensic interviewing, case management and victim advocacy in a safe, child-focused, culturally competent setting. And whereas the Treehouse Assessment Center believes that the cycle of child abuse can be broken and that child abuse and neglect is preventable, now therefore it be resolved that the County Council of Montgomery County, Maryland hereby proclaims April as National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and it's signed today by the Council President, Roger Berliner. Thank you very much. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you so much, Councilman. I really appreciate that. You know, April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and the Treehouse staff will be spending a lot of time on social media and in the community talking about what the Councilman just highlighted. Child abuse is treatable and preventable. The kids who come to our center are provided services that can help them recover from the horrors of specific abuse. Most of the kids who come to the Treehouse are victims of child sex abuse. I'm extremely proud of the staff that works there. I am extremely grateful for the support of the council, from the support of the department, and from especially the support of Child Welfare Services, because without those partners, those kids wouldn't have access to what we're able to provide. This is a great county. It very much cares about its kids, and the work we do is part of that array of things that we can do in the community to make it better for the kids who are going to succeed us in running this place. I'd like to say a word or two about the Tour de Cookie, if I may. It is a wonderful event. It is very family friendly. We again get a lot of support from the community. Certain council persons, Nancy, has already signed up, and we're grateful for that. And I think that on that day, we'll have the whole community.
Was it when we mentioned cookies would be there?
Mr. Cookie will be there, yes. So I am hopeful that the entire community will come out and support us in our mission and have a wonderful day with their families. Again, Councilman, thank you so much for all you do for us, and we at the Treehouse will be there if, God forbid, you ever need us.
Thank you very much.